Hey, this is your weekly mortgage update for the week of October 13th. So rates are slightly lower today from last week. 30-year fixed, 7.5 to 8%. 15-year fixed, 6.75 to 7.375. FHA, 7% to say 7.5. VA, 6.875 to 7.375. Now, those rates will vary based on loan to value, FICO, loan amount, loan type, property type. If you want an individual rate quote on your situation, please reach out. I'd be happy to provide it to you. That would be no problem. So rates this week started out a little bit better because of the Israeli thing. There was what they call a flight to safety, where money gets dumped into treasuries, fixed rate securities anytime there's some international incident like that. The market gets a little scared. They'd rather put it in a safe place. So that's what they do. It helps out rates in the short term. We saw that a little bit get reversed today, though, because of the consumer prices came out, 3.7% inflation rate month over month. That's about the same as it was in August. This was a September report, and that's pretty flat overall. We're hoping for a downturn on that. So now the Fed's basically coin toss on whether they're going to raise rates later this year. That will change. It's week to week, report to report. They're constantly betting that right up to the last minute. So most of the market thinks about a 90% chance they're not going to do anything in November, but 60% plus that they are going to do something in December. And that's assuming nothing else changes, which of course everything will change. So we'll have to see what those reports come out. It's going to be all about employment, like I've been talking about over the last few weeks. The Fed really wants employment to slow down, to take some inflation pressure off of wages. That with housing getting better and better every month. And now that we have the student loan repayment just begin, we're going to see some better inflation numbers here in the coming weeks to months. And I wouldn't be surprised if the Fed is done. So now it's all about how long are they going to keep them down? Are they going to, or keep them up? When are they going to start lowering? I believe it's going to be sooner than later. I think it's going to be end of first quarter, but we shall see. Obviously, the reports that come out between now and then are going to determine everything. So stay tuned. Every week I'll be coming back to you with this information, with the latest and greatest. Hopefully these rates come down sooner than later. I do believe it's going to be a little bit of a roller coaster. We're going to see some highs and lows before it's over, but I'll make sure you're staying up on all of it. So, hey, quick shout out to Sophia Dundee. She is the trivia queen. She's only 12 and she is amazing at it. And just a quick shout out to her today. Have a wonderful weekend. Come back next week, subscribe, like, and I'll keep you abreast of what's going on with the mortgage rates. So have a wonderful weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.